I hate my employees. Yan ang nakapost sa FB ng isang business owner. Wala siyang ibinabanggit na pangalan pero sinabi niya na ang bobobo at ang tatamad ng mga employees niya. Kaya galit siya. Ang kawawang employee na sobrang loyal sa company na yon nag-iiyak na sumulat sa akin. Napaka-unfair naman, Mami N, sabi niya. Nilalahat niya kami sa pagsabing I hate my employees. Alam mo anak, posible naman na may mga tamad na employees. Pero wag natin naman silang lalahatin. And of course, hindi sa FB. Hindi na makatao yun, di ba? At kung bobo ang employees, hindi ba bobo din ang employer? Kasi bakit siya nag-hire ng bobo in the first place? Anyway, sa side naman ng business owner, kung minsan some employees are really frustrating. But para sa akin, as a business owner, when we point our finger at them, 3 fingers are pointing at us. So anak, when it comes to employees, you need to do the following. Number 1, you need to hire the correct people. Yung may magandang attitude at trainable. Number 2, train them right. Make sure na talagang nakuha nila ang skill na itinuturo natin. Pangatlo, evaluate their performance consistently at bigyan natin sila ng feedback kaagad. And number 4, reward them for good performance and sanction them right away for any violation. In person and not in FB ha, ganyan ang business-minded Pinoy.